Anthropic release, Claude Opus 5, a thoughtful, proactive AI that's already dominating benchmarks and challenging GPT-5, Gemini, Grok, and every other major model. So is this the new king of AI? Let's find out. Anthropic describes Claude Opus 5 as a model that delivers near frontier level intelligence without the frontier level price tag. According to the company, it comes remarkably close to Fable 5's capabilities, while costing roughly half as much. And after looking at the latest artificial analysis benchmarks, it's easy to see why everyone's talking about it. Starting with intelligence, Claude Opus 5 currently sits at the top of the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index with a score of 61, beating GPT-5, Gemini, Grok, and Kimi. That makes it the highest ranked publicly available model in overall reasoning and problem solving. When it comes to AI agents, Claude Opus 5 leads again. On the Agentic Index, which measures planning as tool use and autonomous task completion, Opus 5 takes the #1 spot. If you're building AI agents that can think through complex workflows, it's currently one of the strongest models available. And coding? Same story. Claude Opus 5 ranks first on the coding index, outperforming GPT-5 and other top models. Whether it's debugging, generating code, or solving difficult programming tasks, it's setting a new benchmark for coding performance. Even in the coding agent index, Claude-powered agents are tied at the very top, showing that Anthropic isn't just building great chatbots, they're building powerful software engineering agents. But there's one area where Claude Opus 5 doesn't come out on top: price. According to artificial analysis, DeepSeek 4.5, Minimax, and several open models offer the lowest cost per task, while Claude Opus 5 costs around $2.03 per intelligence index task. Claude Fable 5 is the most expensive at $2.75. However, that's exactly why Opus 5 is so important. Anthropic says it delivers near frontier level intelligence while costing about half as much as Fable 5, making it one of the best value frontier AI models available today. But here's the most important part. Anthropic isn't claiming. Opus 5 is better than Fable 5 in every way. They're saying it delivers nearly the same frontier intelligence at half the cost. And that could make it one of the most important AI releases of the year. Because in the AI race, it's not just about being the smartest anymore. It's about delivering the best performance for the price. So what do you think? Is Claude Opus 5 the new AI king, or does GPT-5, Gemini, or Grok still have the edge? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates every week.